Leveling questions for ESL students. Hi everyone, my name is Eric and today I want to show you a free resource where you can test your students to see what level they are. Let's jump into leveling games for English second language learners. Here we go, we've got ESL leveling games. And you can see it's made by Twinkle. We start with A1 beginners and you have to say the missing word. So it helps if the students can read, otherwise you read it for them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you see how good they are. Is this color black or green, white or blue? This is a British website, so you'll see some British spelling. You probably noticed it with leveling 2, the 2 L's. Answer the questions. How are you? Do you like pizza? What's your name? Can you touch the door, the window, the pencil? And they have to say, yes, I can, no, I can't. Match the pictures with the feelings. I'm hungry. Which one is that? Maybe E. I'm angry. B. This is very useful for you to check the understanding and the knowledge of your students. What's your favorite food, animal, season, day of the week? Now we're moving into A2. True or false, the woman is playing football. They are cooking. Can you touch the floor, run fast, jump 3 times? Match the pictures to the sentences. Last week I got up early. Maybe F. I ate a big breakfast with eggs and orange juice. Which animal is bigger? Which animal is faster? So these are comparisons to see which one is smaller and which one is bigger. Can you think of 4 sports? 4 items of clothing, 4 kinds of weather. You can use this in your class to test your students or just as a game for them to practice and see how much they understand. Can you answer the questions? What did you do yesterday? What are you wearing today? Then we're moving into B1, the pre-intermediate. Have you ever questions? Have you ever been on a train? If the answer is yes, tell us more. Have you ever eaten a whole pizza by yourself? Unfortunately, yes. If this is the answer, what is the question? I'm 10 years old. How old are you? Last week I went shopping. What did you do last weekend? Match the beginnings and the ends of the sentences. I went home early yesterday because, as a dessert, I wasn't feeling well. If this is the answer, what is the question? Sugar. What do you put in your coffee? True or false? We're still at B1. You have to bring your passport to the library. True or false? You can talk loudly in the cinema when the film is on. Which is better and why? So now they have to give an explanation. Do you prefer hot days or cold days and why? Do you prefer art class or math class and why? And now we're moving into intermediate B2. What would you do if you could fly, you woke up and were only the size of a hamster? What does a teacher say? Pretend to be a teacher. What does a teacher say? Pretend to be a waiter. Match these beginnings and ends of sentences. Before you go out in the rain, give up. Take off your shoes. Can you guess what I am? I'm part of your body inside your tummy. I digest. Your food is probably my stomach. They can also tell a story. This story is missing the words. Can you use your imagination and tell the story? So we've got Little Red Riding Hood here and the wolf. And yeah, that's it for the leveling games.